Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the US Bank Relia card. So let's get started. So here you have to follow the simple steps. So if you are Android user, then you can use your Google Play Store, and if you are Apple user, then you can open your Apple Store as well. So here you have to follow these simple methods. So I will directly go to the Google search bar and search for the app. Okay, as US Bank Relia card app. So here I will just open it. So from here you have to click it. Then here you have to click more info. Then here if it shows the download button, just click on download and confirm the download. And if you scroll down, you can see the ratings. Also, you can also rate the app. And if you click on the app support, so from here you can contact through the email as well. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.